How to assemble our Click Series full-motion dual-monitor desk mount. Open the clamp wider than the thickness of the desk. Place the clamp over the protector pad in the desired location. The clamp is pre-configured to fit desks 1/5 to 2.5 inches thick. For desks with a thickness of 1.77 to 4.13 inches, remove the 4 bolts on the back of the clamp to separate the lower L plate, then reinstall it on the lower set of 4 holes. Place the clamp over the protector pad in the desired location and tighten the knob until it is firmly clamped to the desk. For grommet mounting, lower the clamp to the lowest position. Remove the 4 bolts from the back of the clamp to separate the lower L plate, then remove the 4 upper bolts to separate the upper L plate. Remove the bolt and washer holding the clamping plate to the end of the hand knob. Unscrew the hand knob from the clamp base. Place the clamping plate on top of the hand knob. Place the protector pad over the grommet hole and place the pole over the top. Insert the hand knob from the underside and tighten the knob until it is firmly clamped to the desk. Place the arm collar over the pole and tighten it in place at a suitable height. Lower the dual arm splitter onto the pole. Place an arm segment onto each side of the splitter. Attach the second arm onto the end of each side's first arm. Ensure the arms are connected correctly and the black tab is fully engaged by listening for the click. Tightening the set screws at each joint will limit or prevent rotation. Do not attempt to straighten the VESA heads until they are connected to the monitor and the arms. Connect the VESA head to the monitor using the 4 provided bolts, then tighten until secure. Place the VESA brackets on the end of each mount arm. Loosen the bolt on the side of the VESA brackets as shown. Hold the edges of the screen and tilt the monitors forward until the screen is facing forward. If desired, adjust the monitor tilt using the bolt on the side as shown here. If the monitor does not stay at the desired angle or droops slowly over time, tighten the bolt to increase tension on the joint. Tighten the set screw on the back of the joint partially or fully to prevent rotation. Route any cables through the cable management system on the arms and along the pole.